In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Gmail emails over to your Yahoo Mail account. This is a handy process, whether you're looking to consolidate your emails into one place or making a switch to Yahoo as your primary email service. Let's dive in and make this transition as smooth as possible. First up, you'll want to start by logging into your Yahoo Mail account. Navigate to mail.yahoo.com in your web browser and enter your Yahoo username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Yahoo Mail interface, where you can see your inbox and other folders on the left-hand side. Getting comfortable with the interface is crucial, as it will make completing the steps more straightforward. Next, let's go to your account settings. At the top right corner of your Yahoo Mail page, there's an icon that looks like a gear, which is your settings icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose More Settings. This will open up a new menu where we'll make the necessary adjustments to set up the email transfer. Now that you're in the More Settings area, look on the left-hand side and select Mailboxes. This is where you'll manage the accounts you connect to your Yahoo Mail. Under the Mailboxes section, there's an option that says Add Mailbox. Click on it to open the Mailbox connection setup. Here, you'll see a list of different email service providers. Select Google from this list, as this will help us connect to your Gmail account. A new window will pop up asking you to sign into your Google account. Input your Gmail address and password carefully, ensuring you have the correct credentials, as this is key for a successful connection. After you've logged in, Google will ask for your permission to link your Gmail account with Yahoo Mail. Grant the necessary permissions by clicking Allow. This step allows Yahoo access only to manage your email so that it can import messages from Gmail. It's a secure process, so you don't have to worry about its safety. Once permission is granted, you'll be brought back to Yahoo Mail, where you'll be prompted to select which emails you'd like to import. Choose Import All Emails if you want every message transferred, or opt for specific emails if you want to select particular ones. Keep in mind that if you have a lot of emails, it might take some time for all of them to transfer over to your Yahoo Mail account. Be patient as the process completes. With this, your Gmail emails will start appearing within your Yahoo inbox. You can monitor the progress by checking your Yahoo folders and seeing which emails have made their way over. Enjoy having all of your emails in your Yahoo Mail, and feel free to explore the new synergies and organization it offers. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on transferring Gmail to Yahoo Mail.